Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today, we will be looking at the 4-pack TCP 9-watt A19 LED bulb. These non-dimmable LED bulbs are a suitable replacement for 60-watt incandescent bulbs. They are ENERGY STAR certified, and since they come in a 4-pack, they can serve as an energy-efficient lighting upgrade for your entire home. These bulbs can be used in table and floor lamps, track lights, ceiling fixtures, sconces, recessed downlights, display lights, and decorative fixtures. With an A19 shape and a medium E26 base, these LED bulbs have a wattage of 9.5 watts and a voltage of 120 volts. And these bulbs are rated for an average life of 10,000 hours. Giving off 800 lumens of light, these LED bulbs have a color rendering index of 80 and possesses a Kelvin temperature of 2700, displaying a warm white color tone. You can order this product from TCP and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.